guys, I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. Now, wish you all a very happy new year, and 2024 is going to be full of magic and opportunities. Before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. We've seen that Nifty has touched a fresh milestone of 21,800 zones, and it has only been making higher lows from the last 9 weeks. Now, during this entire 9 weeks, we've seen a surge of 3,000 points in the index. It touched 21,800 during the week, and this party of the bulls at the Dalal Street can only be seen continuing. So next on the cards is 22,000 and then 22,222 marks with a support near 21,500 zones. Talking about Bank Nifty, we've seen that PSU names and the heavyweights have been supporting this index, and there has been showing strength over here after a slack of the last few series. So next on the cards over here is the recent lifetime high of around 48,636 and then 49,000 zones with a support of 47,750 levels. We've seen that India VIX inched above 16.5 zones this week, but this is only due to the trap of the call writers, and this steam and volatility has created way for the bulls to manage the index at higher zones. Now, sectors to watch out for this week would be some of the PSU names. CPSE remains in flavor, and also the auto and auto ancillary names. Some of the real estate and metal sectors are also looking quite nice. Thank you. This is it.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.